Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm not in focus. Great start. Oh, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Today is Tuesday. Had to remind myself that before pulling up my camera because we just came off of a long weekend. Yesterday was family day here in Canada. I just spent the day at my mom's house and played games. Came back here, watched The Bachelor, got annoyed by The Bachelor, and then went to bed. Yeah, it's a good day. I don't know when this is gonna go up, maybe end of the week or next week, but in The Bachelor we just finished Hometowns. I don't know. I feel like I'm just really annoyed at this. Like I don't enjoy this season. I thought I liked Peter last year and then like on Hannah's season, and ever since this season started he just seems to like not be in it or really care. So I guess that's why I don't really care, or I'm not in it as much. But I was thinking about it the other day. I was like, why do I even watch The Bachelor? Like I enjoy it and I don't enjoy it. But to be honest, I think it just gives me something to talk about and something to do on a Monday night. So I don't know. Anyway, I just made myself a grocery list, so I'm off to the grocery store. I figured I would show you guys what I buy for food for the week, what I usually eat. I figured I would show you how I grocery shop, organize my fridge, what I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and all that stuff. I was gonna do like a what I eat in a week. Maybe I will end up doing that, I'm not too sure, but I already missed breakfast and lunch of filming it, so I don't know. But let me stop talking and boring you all, and we'll hit up the grocery store. Should be fun, yeah. Before we go, sometimes if I don't feel like wearing my big heavy winter coat because it's super cold outside, I just wear all of the layers. I have my thermals underneath my turtleneck. I'm wearing a turtleneck. I have my old varsity windbreaker from university. I have this pea coat on from Zara and this big scarf. I am the definition of a marshmallow right now. But I do all of this because my big thick winter coat that's like good for like -20 is so big and heavy that I hate everything. Like I hate driving in it because it's just so big. So I'd rather wear all the layers and look like a marshmallow than feel super massive, because I don't feel super big in this. So anyway, I just thought it was kind of funny and it reminded me of like old university days because like I just lived in this jacket. Anyway, let go. All right, in the back. I tried to do some filming in the grocery store. Thought I did, and I just didn't hit record. So that was fun because I was really proud of myself for like vlogging in public. Putting up the courage to actually do that. And does it come out? No. Okay, I'm gonna put you here. Anyway, I'm just getting in my groceries on the bag. So, in the first bag, in here, all right, I have baby lettuce. This is just like, I don't know. It was the only one that did not expire tomorrow, so that was good. Because there's no way I could eat that much lettuce over that amount of time. Oh, good. I always check to make sure my eggs don't break. So I got some eggs. I got some goldfish. I really like getting goldfish because I'm trying to stop eating chips, and I feel like if I just have that craving of like eating something salty and like you wanting that crunch chip type thing, I feel like goldfish is a good backup for it. I got turkey slices because I also grabbed spinach wraps, so that'll be a good lunch. And then I also got a cucumber, milk. It is cheaper to buy the bagged milk than it is, which is 4 liters. It is cheaper to buy that and not buy the 2-liter bulk like carton of milk. Honestly, like a 60-cent difference. It's a bit ridiculous because that's obviously a lot of milk, but I'm gonna drink all that milk just to save all like that money and different stuff. I don't know. Plus I grew up on bagged milk. I like bagged milk over carton milk. I don't know if that's weird. Yeah. Anyway, that's bag number 1. Let me get bag number 2. I grabbed some sparkling water because apparently I'm into that now. Just kidding. Oh my god, my phone has just been going off like crazy today. It's not me being popular, it's my dad. I got chicken thighs because no meat was on sale and that's the cheapest I could find of like chicken. So I'll make chicken and rice for dinner tonight. Then, that's my receipts. I grabbed, these are so good. The PC General Tao chicken frozen dinners, so good. So they were on sale. I only grabbed one because I figured I don't need a bunch because I don't really like to eat them all, but like they are good just when I need a quick and easy dinner or lunch. Red pepper, some fettuccine because I have some Alfredo sauce in here. So then I have some frozen chicken in there and frozen broccoli, so I might make that tomorrow night. Some granola bars, popcorn because I'm obsessed with popcorn. Peaches were ridiculously expensive and for some reason I have a craving for peaches, so I grabbed peach slices. This is packed in water, so I'm assuming it's better than packed in that like sugar stuff. Chili was also on sale, so I grabbed some of that because I don't eat chili, but I like to make chili dip. So I also grabbed some cream cheese to go with that because that was also on sale. Grabbed an avocado. These are my favorite cookies in the entire world and they were on sale. So I got fudge, like the Dare fudge cookies. So good, they remind me of my grandma. And then I stopped by my mom's house and she made peanut butter cookies, so I grabbed that. But that is my groceries. That usually lasts me a good week and a half. The fruit obviously and vegetables, that lasts me a bit, like that doesn't last me as long, but that's why I have so many frozen fruits and vegetables in my freezer as well. I just have them so I didn't need to buy any now. In terms of like meats, like this will last me to tonight and tomorrow, and then maybe tomorrow's lunch. I might make myself a wrap for tomorrow's lunch and then save that leftovers for tomorrow's dinner. But that's what I'll be eating for lunch. And then I usually eat like chicken once a week, beef once a week, pasta, a meatless meal. Most of the time it is a pasta meal, but I like to throw in either leftover chicken or leftover beef. Like I'll do like chicken Alfredo or chicken penne, or I'll do spaghetti or lasagna or something like that. Usually at the end of the week when I'm running low on food, I just take whatever's left in my freezer. I either make a salad or I make a stir fry. So that's kind of what I do. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna clean up and then put these dishes away from this morning. So yeah. Dinner tonight is chicken and rice. It's super easy. You just do chicken thighs, rice, cream and mushroom soup, a bit of water, or like maybe like, I did a cup of water and it seemed to be okay once I stirred it in. Maybe not a bit of water. Black pepper and paprika. So that's about it. Put it in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes. And then I did just a balsamic veggie salad to go with it and a nice glass of wine. So that is dinner for myself tonight. I couldn't help it, but I'm making popcorn. Good morning. I guess if I'm filming what I eat in a week, I guess I should be honest and say half the time I forget to eat. I get so into my work, I don't get hungry. So I forgot to eat lunch and stuff like that, but I am working on it. I have set alarms in my phone to tell me to eat lunch. One goes off at 12:30, so I can either snooze that, and then one goes off at 2:30, so I tell myself, okay, at least I need to have like a substantial snack in the meantime. But anyway, I am going to work today, so we have set lunch hours, so I will be, forced to go and sit and eat have lunch, which is good. But anyway, that was just my thing. So I'm gonna be making my lunch here and showing you, but right now I'm eating oatmeal. I just used the Dr. Quaker maple brown sugar, and then I just like to put a little bit of milk in it, nothing too crazy, for my coffee, and go watch a YouTube video while I eat this. My face is so red. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I don't feel very well right now. Anyway, I'm home from work, obviously. I've just been cold all day and I don't feel well. Obviously, you're looking at me. Sorry, I haven't looked at myself. Now I'm just distracted. In terms of dinner, it's about 5 o'clock. I have leftover chicken and rice, but honestly, I'm not feeling super hot. So I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea now. Just like green tea here, and then probably have some soup for dinner. I have this garden vegetable soup that I like to have at times. It's super easy. It's garden market vegetable. It's like Campbell's soup. I also really like their spring leek. Their squash one is really good as well, and they have a mushroom one, which I'm not a huge mushroom person, but it is good. So I might just have that for dinner, and yeah, and probably go to bed early. So it's actually Thursday afternoon. It's 2 o'clock. I have just made myself some lunch. This morning I had my appointment, so I was running late this morning, so I grabbed a banana and a granola bar and a yogurt and ate that on the way. So that's what I had for breakfast. And then I grabbed an Earl Grey tea at McDonald's. Then I went to my mom's house. I drank that, and then I had some peanut butter cookies because my mom made some. And I just made myself a chicken wrap. It's literally just like I cut up a chicken strip, lettuce, Caesar dressing, and cheese. Not super healthy or anything like that. I'm just gonna eat this quickly. Well, not quickly, actually. I'm gonna take my time and watch Grace and Frankie on Netflix. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Alrighty, it is 6:20. Wow, I hate this light so much. I just had another cup of tea. My throat's hurting, so I kind of just want to take it easy. I'm gonna finish the soup that I had yesterday. It's just the garden market vegetable. I don't know why I did that. Yummy. Morning. I didn't end up filming the rest of last night. I started watching Love is Blind. Was not expecting myself to be that into that show. Oh my god, is it good, but so stupid. I'm gonna make myself a smoothie just packed with vitamin C. I'm gonna throw, instead of throwing milk in, I'm gonna throw orange juice. It's gonna be fruit, banana. I have that half of avocado that I used for my wrap the other day, so I'll throw that in there. There's some kale, fruit, I don't know if I said that, some orange juice, some water, and some collagen and protein powder. I'm gonna throw that all in there. I usually mix in orange juice when I throw in like a sweeter fruit, so I don't know how this is gonna taste. I always do like my sunshine smoothie, which is like peaches, oranges, bananas, mangoes, all that sort of stuff, and orange juice, and like a peach yogurt or something. I do really enjoy that smoothie, but I don't have most of those things. So, and then I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. This morning, it's about 9:20. I have to meet Taylor Elizabeth downtown. We are shooting some Instagram photos today. It is a beautiful, bright, not a cloud in the sky, beautiful Friday. I am so excited. We were supposed to do this on Tuesday. I think I mentioned that, but it was just so gloomy and so disgusting. But yeah, and then after that, I have packed for the weekend. Oh, this is just my second outfit for shooting. And then I think I'm gonna bring that top as well. But that's everything I'm taking to Brendan's for the weekend. And yeah, this is my outfit today. Hold on, I need to see this. There we go. These are Zara jeans. You've seen those in my recent Zara Come Shopping With Me video. This is a cashmere top. I actually got at Plato's Closet. I don't know where it's from. Lord & Taylor. And then this white tee is from Zara. Necklace is gifted from Majuri. My ring is an Amazon Cartier dupe. It was $12. Best $12 I've ever spent. And it's actually a really good quality ring. Probably can't even see it. So yeah, it's really nice. I like it. In Brendan's house. Anyway, I'm here now. Brendan's at work. I'm gonna end this video because I forgot to do it earlier. I have a venti jade citrus mint tea from Starbucks. I'm gonna be snacking on some strawberries that I brought from home and a granola bar. I had a Tim's sandwich at like 3 o'clock. It's now 6. Not super hungry, but yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed what I eat in a week and this vlog. Yeah, let me know. I feel like this week was interesting in terms of like food, but I think I said that all at the beginning, so I feel like I rambled on a lot in this video. So anyway, yeah, anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget that subscribe button down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.